Hello my friends, good morning. Welcome to Dave's Skillet. Today we got a special. Yep. Today is an unboxing for HelloFresh. I've got 4 meals and we're going to unpack them. I'm going to show you what is inside of each one. And then over the course of the next 4 days, I will make a meal a day. This video is going to show all of that in one go. But for me, there's no way I'm eating that many meals in one day. But I can make them on the video, you know, over a span of 4 days. That's no problem. But I think you're going to enjoy it. The first one we're going to do is the burger. And I'm doing the burger. It's the Melty Monterey Jack Burger. You get 2 of them. There's going to be 2 burgers. So these meals are designed for 2 people. You can get them designed for 4 people, 8 people, whatever you like. But all the meals I bought, even though there's only 4 packages, those are 2 meals each. So that's 8 meals. It's basically a week's worth of food. And that's pretty much why I cannot eat all that in one go. I'd not even try to do that. They advise you to have some things on hand: salt, pepper, oil, butter, sugar. I don't do sugar. If I do sugar, it's going to be palm sugar or raw cane sugar. I don't do processed. I don't like doing processed anything as it is. And corn fructose, if it says corn fructose in it, I throw it away. I don't eat that. I don't do that. So let's just get to the box, you know. Let's unbox it and open it up, see what's in there. I'm curious. And I'm going to use my iPhone as a backup, just in case the first camera doesn't work out. Saucy pork burrito bowls. I got to open them all up. So you're going to see that. I got to see what I got. Okay. This one is the hamburger. So I got 4 dinners in all. Okay. Nice potato bun. A potato bun. I like potato buns. Those are nice. I like those. I'll go through this stuff in a second. I'm going to have some ingredients, I suppose, that aren't going to make any sense to me or probably to you. Oh, that's kind of cool. Ah, yeah, it's making sense to me now. It's ringing my bell now. Okay, yeah, it's going to have some potato wedges. There's a piece of garlic in there. Okay. Now we get all this stuff sorted out. There's the garlic. Fry seasoning. I got, can I even read that? Mayonnaise. Okay, this is the mayo. That's the mayo. I guess I'm assuming this is ketchup. And it's ketchup, yep. Okay. And we got Monterey Jack. And 2 packets of Monterey Jack. An onion. And 5 Yukon potatoes. And a potato bun. Actually 2 potato buns. So I guess I'm going to have enough to make 2 burgers. Well, that's good. So, and 1 ground beef, obviously. And so we're to follow the instructions. They give you some instruction cards. And here it is. And so I have to follow these instructions. Melty Monterey Jack Burgers with onion jam, garlic, mayo, and crispy potato wedges. Okay, All right. So we got that, and I guess I'll get busy cooking. Yeah. Okay. Let me get the rest of this stuff put to the side. Well, actually, we'll just go ahead and open it. We'll go ahead and open them, and then I'll put them to the side as I go. Okay. I got some cleaning and some cutting and some chopping that I got to do with this stuff. Okay. No problem. I don't know what kind of cheese they're giving me, but we'll see how that works out. The next one is going to be the Sesame soy beef bowls. Well, let's see how that looks inside. Oh yeah, I forgot to cover this, didn't I? Balsamic vinegar by Moderna. Okay, that's a good brand too, yeah. Nice one. That goes with the burger. Okay, we'll put that with the burger. I don't want to lose it. I got some spring onions. That must be the soy sauce. Sriracha. Oh, I don't know if I'll actually use sriracha. I'll probably use my own hot sauce because that's going to have sugar, and I'm trying to stay away from Mr. Sugar. So I will probably substitute it with this one. So there's always that. And the julienne carrots. Okay, nice, very nice. And we got some rice. What kind? Jasmine rice. Okay, we got jasmine rice. Let's see if I can read this. Sweet soy glaze. Okay, sweet soy glaze. Looks like more mayonnaise. And I got some sesame oil. And I got some white wine vinegar. Okay. I've got a bottle of white wine vinegar in my cupboard, so I'll probably just not use this one. I'll save it for another time. Even though I know I'm probably supposed to. I gotta see what meat are we using with this one. Okay, we're using beef shredded. Sesame soy beef bowls with shredded carrots, buttery rice, and sriracha mayo. I'm not sure which one it is. Did I put the wrong one in here? I don't know. Ground beef? No, they're both ground beef. So I guess the ground beef goes with that one. Okay. Put all that stuff back in the bag. Like the brown bag you take to lunch, right? All right. Some of this stuff I don't think you can freeze necessarily, but I'm going to put it in the fridge for sure. So I'm ready to use it. So make room in your fridge for these bags. There's another spring onion. Ooh, yeah, broccoli. Yeah, I like broccoli. Yeah. Okay, panko breadcrumbs. I got sour cream ×2. We got some Monterey Jack. All right, red hot. I got bottles of that stuff. Okay. And this is, oh, that's honey. Oh, great. I'll probably just use some of my own ingredients. And then we've got some Yukon Golds in here. Because I've got bottles of condiments and ingredients that I can use instead of the little packages that they give me. So we got some Yukon Golds, 6 of them. Okay. Broccoli, spring onion, panko, cheese, sour cream, red hot sauce, and honey. So, did I put the beef in there? I don't know if I put the beef in there. I think I did. Okay, I'm missing a beef. Oh no, it's in the other one. Okay, what goes in that? Okay, that's chicken. That's the chicken. Okay, so that's the chicken cutlet for this one. I'm gonna keep the meats in the bag, so when I open it up, I'm not looking for stuff. Even though they've bagged it separately, I suppose I could freeze the meat, but I don't think I will, because I'm gonna make them this week anyway, so yeah, there's that. And that's what it's gonna look like with the mashed potatoes I have to make. Okay, got one more to go with the ground pork, this one. Saucy pork burrito bowls. I guess I got that one wrong. Did I put beef in there? I might have put the beef in there. That's the chicken. Pork burritos. Okay. I know I haven't opened it yet. Okay. Okay, here's the pork burrito bowl. It's supposed to be spicy. So, ooh, yeah, look at that. Nice. And we got jasmine rice. Now this is how I like to buy it. Fresh. Cilantro. Tex-Mex paste. Okay. I'll have to use that. We'll go to tomato. I'm going to use this one next, as opposed to the other ones, only because of the tomato. Red pepper cream, 10 ounce. No, 1 ounce. Okay. That contains milk and soy. Here's an onion and a lime. Okay, now. Oh. We'll put the jasmine rice back in there. The poblano pepper, the tomato, the onion, the lime, cilantro and Tex-Mex paste, and the, what did I say it was? Red pepper cream. Okay. And we got some ground pork. So all that stuff I'm going to just put in the fridge and cook them one at a time. I'm going to keep them fresh, so I'll put them in the fridge. Like, I swear it's like little bags of lunch I used to take to lunch. I used to take a brown bag to work. Look at that. I used to put it in my fridge at work, and yeah, okay. So, I don't know how big your clan is. I'm just one, so that's why I only bought 4 meals. Because if I bought a ton of this stuff, I would wind up throwing it in the bin because it would rot before I could cook it. Unless I had to freeze all of it, and then what? Yeah, just put it the same, right? Because you want fresh. That's the whole idea. Okay, those are in the fridge. Done and dusted, settled there. Now I can pull out my burger. And that's going to make 2 beef patties for sure. There's the cheese. What we got here? The mayo. The fry seasoning. Go over here. My buns. My onions. It's not much of a garlic and Looks a bit withered. It looks like it's seen better days. But no matter, I have some in the fridge, so yeah, I'm probably going to add my own garlic to it. That one doesn't look right. Anyway, and that's the fry seasoning. And gotta get this card out because we're going to do a step-by-step. Not for me so much as it's for you folks who are watching. You're going to want to see how this is done step by step. But first, I need a cup of coffee. I'm just starting my day. So we're going to pause, which is only going to take a microsecond for you guys. So just stay tuned and we'll get on with it.